Hello, 你好 everyone. Some people say Chinese pronunciation is not important. It is wrong. I give you an example. When you want to take a taxi to the airport, you want to go to the capital airport, 首都机场. But you tell the driver you want to go to the capital theater, 首都剧场. Then the driver takes you to the theater instead of the airport. These two words, 机场 and 剧场, sound similar, but they have different meanings. That's why Chinese is a tonal language, and Chinese pronunciation is important. In today's video, you will master the Pinyin A, O, U pronunciation and practice them. Learning Pinyin is the same as important as learning English phonics. Now, let's get started. The first one, A, sounds like A in English. Now look at my mouth. A. My mouth is open big and my tongue is at its lowest. Read with me. A. A. You can be doing very well. Woo! If you are struggling with speech, watching this video can help you master them. Let's read the following four tones and words. A. 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 Mo a ma. Mo a ma. Mo a ma. Mo a ma. Can you eat spicy food? Ma. Let's move on to the next O. Pinyin O, it sounds like in English. Now look at my mouth. O. My mouth becomes a little cycle O, and my tongue recedes. Read with me. O. O. You can be doing very well. Woo! Let's read the following O, four tones and words. O. 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 Po o po. Po o po. Po o po. Po o po. Let's move on to the next Pinyin it sounds like in English. Now look at my mouth. My mouth half open and my tongue recedes. Read with me. You can be doing very well. Let's read the following four tones and words.你饿了吗? I hope this series of videos can help you. If you finish learning this video, don't forget to leave a comment below. I will be happy to know it's your first day of the challenge. In the next video, we will master the pronunciation of Pinyin, I, U, Yu, and practice them. Also check out my blog, sumichinese.com for more fun and interesting ways to discover and learning about China and improve your Chinese language skills. See you next time, 下次见!